In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Discord on PC. Discord updates automatically in the background, but there's a quick, reliable way to make sure you're on the latest version without digging through any menus. We'll use a simple refresh and restart process that prompts Discord to check for updates and apply them cleanly. Start by opening the Discord desktop app on your PC. Make sure you're using the installed application, not the web version in a browser. If the app is already running, bring it to the front so you can see the main window. Next, press Ctrl and R on your keyboard at the same time. Think of this as a refresh for the app. The window may briefly flicker or reload, and you might notice the interface redraw. Behind the scenes, this command forces Discord to reload its interface and immediately check for any available updates. If there's a new version, Discord will begin downloading it in the background. You won't need to click anything else right now, just let the refresh finish. Once the reload is complete, give it a moment to finish any downloading that started. Then, close and reopen the app so the update can fully apply. To make sure it closes completely, use the app's close option and check your system tray near the clock. If you still see the Discord icon there, right-click it and choose to quit. Fully exiting prevents the app from staying minimized and ensures the new files can be swapped in. After it's closed, reopen Discord from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. On launch, Discord will finalize the update. You might briefly see an updating screen or a small installer window. Just let it run. When the app opens back up, you're on the latest version. A few tips as you do this. Keep your internet connection active so any update can download during the reload. If you pressed Ctrl+R and didn't notice anything, that's okay. Sometimes the update is small or you were already up to date. Still, the restart step is important because many updates only apply after a full relaunch. There's no need to sign out or reinstall. This built-in process is the intended way to stay current. That's all there is to it. Open Discord, press Ctrl+R to trigger the update check, then close and reopen the app to complete the installation. Use this whenever you want to be sure you're on the latest version, and you'll always have the newest features and fixes ready to go.